Hey, today we're going to make gheema, a mix of mincemeat, fried potatoes and carrots with spices, and so delicious. Let's watch to the end. Yeah, I'm just going to show you what I did here. So I cut these up so it's like this size, and you just make sure you keep them in water because you don't want the color to change. And the same thing, I'm going to do the same thing with the potatoes when I cut the potatoes. You have, make sure you have something to put them in here when they're done, yeah, to drain the oil. So now I can start taking these out already, and then straight away make sure there's something to drain them. Yeah. To drain. This oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. I have 2 of lovely. Okay, now I'm not gonna leave it to dry because sometimes people do that, but I actually like to add everything now. Okay, so I'm just gonna add potatoes. I'm gonna add the carrots, and then really slowly. Mix everything up. Let's see the color, see how lovely is the colors really. Gheema is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you soon.